back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Anthology. They have 305 reviews on Glassdoor, and from their current and past employees, they are rated at a 4.0 out of 5 stars. We're going to dive all into the opportunity they have today. The links to both the pages I'm sharing are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Anthology is hiring an enrollment chat specialist. This is for the United States. But Anthology is an education company. They're looking for somebody to work with and assist potential customers with the available product offerings and consult them on the best product for their situation. This is going to be completely non-phone. You're going to be providing information and support for individuals navigating the enrollment application, decision, and the entire enrollment process into Stride public and private schools. You're going to be providing routine advice and guidance for prospective and current students regarding policies and procedures. You'll document the requirements and resolve any problems that they have. You're going to be managing these through the website online chat or SMS, which is a text message. So you're going to be managing a high volume of chat and SMS, both inbound and outbound messages. You are going to be required to hit quality assurance targets, but you'll be discussing with the students product features, cost, terms, coordinating the sales agreements and transactions within your internal team. You'll utilize the knowledge base to stay up to date on the frequent changes to the schools and their enrollment processes. Now, if this sounds like something that is of interest to you, they are only requiring that you be 18 years or older and have a high school diploma or GED. Now, it does say that a college degree and 1 year of customer service experience is preferred but not required. So as long as you have that high school diploma. They also want somebody who can sit for long periods of time at a computer, have a distraction-free workplace in your house, someone who can pass the typing test with at least 50 words per minute. They're looking for somebody who has a previous chat experience, someone who can be solution-oriented and have good computer navigation skills. Now, it does say that the company is going to provide hardware, so computer and all for you, but you're going to have to be able to wire your company computer directly into your router. So you're not going to be able to use a Wi-Fi internet connection. Now, a few other things to note about this position. Pay is a little bit on the lower end. They are paying $13 an hour, and they do have some state restrictions. They are hiring in the following states. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave it down in the comments below anything specific that you are looking for. You can also feel free to leave any feedback that you have for me, any suggestions on how I can make this channel and these job leads more helpful for you. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.